Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 100 WPM. Ready? Start. Whilst in the majority of the matters which are dealt with by the commercial list judge, the court's ordinary original civil jurisdiction is exercised. Nevertheless, from that circumstances, it does not follow he exercises such jurisdiction when disposing of some special matter which is assigned to him. Stop. The words of the rule that the judge in charge of the commercial list shall hear and dispose of all proceedings under the Trademarks Act, including appeals under Section 76, is a direction that, as a persona designata, he is the judge before whom those matters ordinarily will be placed. Stop. The rule does not differentiate between proceedings under various sections of the Act which are initiated in the court and appeals from the registrar before whom the proceedings leading to an appeal are commenced by an application under Section 14. Stop. By Rule 74 within bracket A, not only the commercial list judge but any other judge so appointed for that purpose by the Chief Justice shall hear and dispose of all proceedings under the Act, including appeals under Section 76 within bracket 1. Stop. Any other judge of the court, for example, a judge sitting on the appellate side of the court, could be appointed to hear a trademark appeal, that is to say, a judge who does not exercise the ordinary original civil jurisdiction of the court. Stop. If such judge were appointed and he disposed of a trademark appeal, the same argument could not apply to him as Mr. Chatterjee puts forward with regard to the commercial list judge regarding the exercise of the court's ordinary original civil jurisdiction. Stop. The question of the exercise or the non-exercise of that jurisdiction cannot depend upon the circumstance or accident of it coming before a particular judge of the court. Stop. The Allahabad High Court is not vested with ordinary original civil jurisdiction, yet it has jurisdiction to deal with trademark appeals in their disposal, whether by a single judge or a division bench. No question could arise that ordinary original civil jurisdiction would be exercised. It cannot have been the intention of the legislature that one high court would dispose of an appeal under Section 76 within bracket 1 Trademarks Act by exercising its ordinary original civil jurisdiction, whereas another high court would do so by exercising its appellate jurisdiction. Stop. It must have been the intention that the disposal would be under the same jurisdiction in each high court. Stop. The right given by section 76 within bracket 1 is a right of appeal from the decision of the registrar before whom the proceedings leading to the appeal are initiated. Stop and over. सो ये हमारी 100 WPM नियर डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन. सो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.